Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and creating your install media. Connect a USB with at least 8 GB. Use Rufus or the media creation tool to write the ISO. Once done, back up personal files to an external drive or cloud. Make sure to include documents and application settings. Now reboot and enter BIOS/UEFI. Press Del, F2, or F12 depending on your motherboard. Set USB as first boot device. Save changes, then restart so the installer loads. You will move through the installer screens methodically. Start by selecting language and clicking Install Now, then choose Custom if you want a clean install or upgrade to retain apps. When partitioning, delete old Windows partitions if doing a fresh install, then format or select the target NTFS partition and click Next. The installer copies files and restarts multiple times. Be patient. Once it boots to UB, pick Region, Keyboard, and Account options. Connect to Network and finish initial setup. You finish by installing drivers and system updates so hardware performs correctly. Download chipset, GPU, and network drivers from your PC maker, then run Windows Update to get cumulative patches and security fixes. Activate Windows with your product key in settings to unlock personalization. If something goes wrong, failed boot, or missing devices, reboot into BIOS, switch between UEFI and Legacy, enable OSI, or temporarily disable Secure Boot, recreate the USB installer if corruption is suspected. Then repeat the install steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.